ready to do a little, well, it's a 1.5 mile hike, so I guess it's kind of a hike down to Fort Bowie near the Cochise stronghold, I think. Kind of a pretty little area. They do have a little bathroom facility. It's basically just kind of like a outhouse, but they're clean, and it's nice to have a nice bathroom available.
It's a one-horned or a one-claw devil's claw.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. The other one was on the ground next to it, but
that's like some kind of plant, right?
Right. They're very popular here in the desert.
Okay, get ready to head down the trail, down to see the ruins. Should be fun.
Looky here.
Oh,
Four-wheel drive out back there.
something else been down here to see the ruins. A pretty cool little, like maybe a bridge or a stream coming up here. What is it, a bridge, baby? Check it out. Yeah, sometimes summer there's probably water running through here. Dry and dry right now, though. It's got a culvert.
Yeah, not culvert, just open stone.
Yeah, old little bridge. Pretty cool. They built something like right here. A little rock wall. Oh, there's a sign up here. Let's see what it says. Is that what this little is for?
Mm-hmm, I'm thinking so, this little...
Just met a nice couple on the trail as we were walking in. They were walking out. I asked them if it was worth going. They said we got about a 45-minute walk from here, but they have a nice visitor center and you can walk around the ruins out there. There's benches and stuff like that, so hopefully it's worth the trip. Take a little break underneath this bush here.
It's pretty cool.
Nice shade. What are you thinking so far, baby?
It's pretty cool. I love the hike. It's good for you. It's pretty out here.
Yeah, man, we need to do it more often, huh?
Yeah, for sure.
Out of practice.
But like that guy said, just thinking about how you're walking where these people were fighting and gathering things, and it's just crazy to think that wagons used to come through here.
And living in a whole nother time and world, really.
Yeah,
than what
well,
we
in a
live
famous
today.
battle between the Indians and the soldiers with Cochise, and
Picture like the Indians lined up there on their horses.
I know, it's crazy.
Or some hidden behind the rocks checking everything out.
Right,
Yeah.
yeah, exactly. Up there on that, what would you call that, a hill or a ridge line? Ridge?
Yeah.
There, if you can see, way out there is where we parked.
Here there's a road.
Yeah.
Okay, we came out up here on a little bit out of breath on an opening, and you can see in the background like a corral. Maybe a barn. I don't know what that opens up to once we get there. And right here's a little plaque, so it might tell me, but I haven't got that far yet. I'll take a picture of it so you can read it. Still pretty deserty out here. A little windy. What was the temperature? 70 something?
71.
70 something just
And
outside of Willcox, Arizona.
Thank God for the breeze. Thank you.
21 October. Structure coming up here on our right. Show it to you in a second. So the stage station ruin is what this was. There's apparently a little framework or whatever was left. And something else up here, another sign. So this was the like a mess hall?
Yeah, this is where they came first.
It was a stagecoach stop.
Oh,
Right,
okay,
you'd stop
stagecoach
here,
stop.
change horses or whatever, and eat.
And they kept feed here too, like for the animals.
So was this an adobe house probably? A building?
It just said rocks 6 to 8 feet tall.
Oh, so a lot of the rocks have been like removed.
Yeah.
Look
Oh.
at this, babe. They had to have been like Mom said, like cooking in here and stuff, you know?
Right.
Look at some of these rocks. Wow. Oh, they got limestone in there too.
Oh yeah?
Man, it's just so crazy.
We just finally seen where we were going. So right down here, you can see it, is the cemetery looking area. And then right above my finger, I think, is the ruins that we're heading to. Looks like a long ways from here, especially this road is not straight, it's quite windy.
Trail for the mail and stuff. Look at down there. And all up there. Wow.
Looks pretty much like a cow trail now.
Yeah. Well, this one's a little bit wider.
Yeah,
Look at that, how neat.
that's cool.
Oh, so
Remember, boys, nothing on God's earth must stop the United States mail.